Hi everyone, we just got our Dinnerly box in, so I'm just going to do a quick unboxing and put all that stuff away, and just want to show you what is in our Dinnerly box. So if you are not familiar with Dinnerly, it is another subscription box, and so we will open this one, and just letting you know that it's a little bit different from HelloFresh because it does not send you any recipe cards. You have to download them online. And so there's different stuff here. And you want you to download the app. And obviously, first checklist is to open the box. Remove ingredients, checking any pouches before discarding, and place perishables in the fridge. And it says to download your view or download your recipes via email. Scan recipes to make sure you have the necessary pantry ingredients, and cook dinner. So first we're going to start off with the top. There's this insulated stuff here. It looks like some recycled paper, maybe fabrics. Either way, it looks like recycled material. Very neat, but very very different feeling. So we have some romaine lettuce. We've got some green beans. They look super fresh. Yum. We've got some gyro shells. Gyro shells, I don't know. 2 rolls. 2 Yukon Gold. Actually, I think these are russet potatoes, but I think it's another one of those they have to substitute. We've got some seasonings and some garlic. Oh, that garlic is looking sad. Maybe not. Maybe it's just... Nope, it's definitely not, but definitely needs to be used up. Anyways, we got some ranch. We got some Ras Al Hanout. And we got some beef stock. We also got some parsley. And down below is the meat. And around it some stuff fell. But we got a tomato. And we've got barbecue sauce.
Mom, can I go outside for a second?
And this is one of those freezable packs here. And down below is our meat. Jan, can you please take this?
What is this?
That's a freezer pack. Needs to go in the sink. So down here is... Not really looking at that, but... We've got ground beef, beef steak, and some pulled pork, which is actually fully cooked. This the pulled pork is. And then we have a couple more seasoning things down here. Sour cream. And so this is what we have for our 3 Dinnerly meals here. So I'm going to go put that stuff away. And again, down here is another freezer pack. Not as continued frozen as the ones from HelloFresh, but it is still frozen and still cold. And I don't feel that my meat is was not been kept cold. But I feel like, I'm not sure, it would have lasted 24 hours on a hot day on my stairs. Maybe, because of the insulation pack. But this is everything. I know it's a hot mess, but we're going to take care of it. And once we make the meals, we'll show you.